discuss how we can customize the POS receipt in ERPNext. So to do so, we are just going to search for the print format which we have. Let's just write print format here. Here you can see we have this print format, basically POS invoice, which is printing it as a POS receipt. So it's already says please duplicate this to make the changes. So we are going to do this. Just duplicate this one and write a name for it. I'm writing it as custom POS invoice, and let's do some changes in the code. I'm writing it as product and complete it as quantity. And let's say I'm not going to print the time here. Okay, now just save it. Okay, I just have another print format, customized print format, and just go to the POS profile right now. In the POS profile we have only one. Under the print setting you can see there is a field called print format. Here you have to select the customize print format and just save this one. Now just go to the point of sale, open this. I'm making an order. Just selected the customer, some items, and just check out. Complete the order, and yes, let's just try with this print receipt. Here you can see I'm getting it as product, the quantity is there and the time is not there. Okay, that's how you can do the customization for the POS receipt. And that's all for this video. Thank you so much.